Mini-AirMace, revolutionizing industrial flow with free piston pulse valve. Imagine an industrial system where downtime is history, energy efficiency is unparalleled, and your equipment's lifespan extends exponentially. The Mini-AirMace free piston pulse valve achieves all this while elevating operational performance and ensuring material flow without structural damage. The Mini-AirMace valve is a game-changing pneumatic solution. Designed for industries utilizing hoppers, chutes, and dust collectors, this advanced technology outshines traditional vibrators. Vibrators condense damp or moist materials and worsen material blocks, possibly damaging the vessel. The Mini-AirMace valve eliminates bridging, rat holes, and material handling buildup. The valve emits a high-pressure burst of compressed air to sweep stuck material back into the production process. Its pioneering free piston mechanism delivers precision pulses, providing unmatched material agitation without the destructiveness of conventional systems like vibrators, pulse nozzles, fluidizers, and other flow aid and material activation systems. Mini-AirMace offers a more effective, cleaner, quieter, and longer-lasting alternative. Agriculture, food, concrete, cement, mining, chemical, and other industries benefit using highly efficient Mini-AirMace valves. Free piston technology replaces continuous vibrations or ineffective air waste with powerful short and targeted pulses. These bursts of energy ensure consistent material flow while reducing stress on structural components. Unlike diaphragm, air sweep, fluidizers, and other solenoid-based systems, the simplified Mini-AirMace design minimizes maintenance and maximizes operational reliability. Industrial environments with traditional flow aid systems often suffer from excessive noise levels, endangering worker safety. Mini-AirMace operates with minimal noise, creating a safer and more comfortable workspace. The Mini-AirMace outshines in energy conservation. By reducing compressed air consumption, material wear, and maintenance needs, this valve delivers a rapid return on investment. Energy-efficient operation aligns seamlessly with modern sustainability goals. Mini-AirMace free piston pulse valves excel in numerous fields. Flow aid for bulk material. Handling enables smooth material movement in hoppers and chutes. Dust collector systems precisely clean filters without frequent downtime. Industrial transformation. Replace conventional vibrators, fluidizers, solenoid-based pulse valves with Mini-AirMace free piston valves, gaining operational advantages without structural harm. From reducing energy consumption to minimizing downtime, Mini-AirMace emerges as the optimal choice. It provides reliable results compared to outdated methods, ensuring your industrial operations are cost-effective and eco-friendly. Don't settle for inefficiency and structural wear. Revolutionize your industrial processes with Mini-AirMace free piston pulse valve. Optimize performance, reduce costs, and elevate your sustainability game. Visit our website at www.flow-industries.com or contact our team today by chat or phone number +1 484 893 0085 to experience next-gen industrial solutions that redefine power and performance.